over there. Okay. Oh, Harley. Harley, this is the fastest I've seen you.
Good girl. Hey. Behave. Both you two. Come here. Come here. Go.
From Cole's bed. You gotta run around. You don't get to run around a lot. Koa. Be nice to your cousin.
Alright.
She's like, I'll show you the spot.
Hi, Harley. Come here. Hi, Harley. Hi, you're so calm compared to Koa. Oh, you got Koa spit all over you. Look. Spit all over you. Okay. Where's Koa? Oh, he's over there with his ball. Girl, Harley. Good girl. Got spit all over you. Koa, spit right there.
I need a bag.
Spit right there. Oh, hi, Koa.
Yeah, it's like.
He's always wanting to play with her, but then he gets cautious when she starts.
Oh yeah, she's bad.
And there it is.
Hey,
Koa! Be nice to your cousin. Be nice to your cousin. Hi, sweet puppy. Where'd your cousins go? She's over there. I can see her. You tired?
Yeah.
Where'd your cousin go? Let's go find her.